Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix file system error -2147 416359 photos app error. You will see this error. So to resolve this error, click on this search and search services. Now right click on services, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to find out Windows license manager service. Double click on it. Startup tab, you will see disabled, so select manual, click on apply. Now click on OK. Now right click on it and refresh. Now close it and restart your system. After restart, try to open file. Hopefully this method will work and this will fix problems. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.